We must thank everyone who is willing to take difficult choices in life. We must thank everyone who is willing to take difficult choices in life. It's easy to take easier choices. It's so easy. But then let us salute those people who have taken difficult choices. Those people who decided to take difficult choices, those people who decided to take the difficult route are serving the mankind. Easier routes anyone can take. But salutations to all those people who are going to take difficult routes. Salute a person who is an entrepreneur rather than a person who is just a job seeker. Salute a person who really wants to become change makers to the society rather than a person who is accepting everything that comes the way. Salute a soldier who takes a difficult path rather than an ordinary person who is just settled for an ordinary job. Salute somebody who takes difficult path. Salute a farmer who takes the most arduous task, the most difficult task of supporting the society by cultivating a land, barren land, converting a barren land into green land. So salute a farmer who takes the difficult task. It's so easy to become a government babu, sit calmly there, but it is the most difficult task to convert a barren land into a fertile land. So all of you deserve to be deserve salutations if you take difficult choices in life. If you decide, yes, I'm going to face the challenges of life, I'm going to face the difficulties of life, I am going to face the risks of life, the vagaries of life. Life is not a smooth sailing. Life is ups, downs, ups, downs. You decide to face the ups and downs of life, you deserve salutations. It's easier to become a government clerk, get fixed monthly salary, life is secure. Occasionally you go for a strike, lockout, demand for more salaries, demand for this thing, that thing, everything at the cost of the government, everything at the cost of the society, and then curse the government also that the government is spreading dearness, which obviously is because the government is spending money on government employees. They have taken up easier decisions and they are creating a burden for society. But look at the farmer, look at the entrepreneur, look at those people who have decided to face the uncertainties of the life. They are coming forward to face the uncertainties of life with their determination. They know nothing is certain, whether it will rain or not, nothing is certain. Whether they will be able to sell or not, nothing is certain. They do not know all these things. Yet they have taken a firm decision to do something. So the person who can take a decision in spite of uncertainty deserves appreciation because we require those people.